Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crop in Canva. So let's get started. Begin by signing into your Canva account and opening the design project that contains the images or elements you want to crop. Select the image or elements you wish to crop by clicking on it. Now go to the toolbar and select Edit Photo. From here, click on Crop. A crop box will appear around the image. Drag the corners of the crop box to adjust the desired area for cropping. Once you have selected the area you want to keep, click on Done. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.